Okay, good afternoon, everyone. Sorry for the delay for past 2 days, but today we'll talk about WordPress, including what are the plugins you need to use for your SEO. Okay, and all the what do you call integrations, Google console integration. And it's like you may ask like, how does Google know about our website? We have to integrate our website to the Google Search Console. Okay, we'll learn all about those things. I'll show you practically. And my like important thing is today everyone has to have a book on their bench, like table, and have to write every step I want to tell. I'll be checking in between. If I don't see the notes, I make sure I'll kick you out. I don't have any issue with that, and you won't get the certification. Okay, because website is the face of a business. In today's world, website is a face of a business. And as you said, there are a lot of website builders. Okay, you have to have idea of everything. Okay, Wix is okay, I do understand, but WordPress has a versatility. It's like you have almost all the options available, like different templates. Like some people like drag and drop system. Some BCA students like coding. Okay, it can be adaptable for both. Okay, we'll talk about that. So first, I don't understand, like for free hosting, we are going to use Infinity Free. It is for practice. You will not get it for your commercial purpose. Commercial purpose, you have to buy a domain and a hosting. Okay. We'll talk about the domain hosting and SSL, all those things. First of all, let me start with that. Just name, please note down the name infinityfree.com. Infinity, INFINITY, FREE, infinityfree.com. Okay. Go to infinityfree.com, click on register. If you have go with a Gmail, it's possible, or you can give your Gmail and password. So as it is a free thing, it keep on popping you ads. So bear with that for a practice purpose. Create one, choose the free option. Uh, Here if you see domain extinction, I mean like generally we got .com, .in, .co, .co.in, right? But here it is a like a great site.net. I mean like it's a subdomain system. Okay, we'll talk about the subdomains in later situations, but just remember it's uh, a domain within a domain. It's a domain within a domain. So for now, let's choose a name, ISTDM. Okay, check availability. Yes, istm.greatsite.net. Okay, so password. Okay, only contain letters and numbers. Okay, account is being created. So first, for the today's practical go home practice, those who have free time, I'll inform ma'am. She will provide you the lab timings. Sit in the lab, practice it. You can design your own website. It may be your future company website, or your own personal portfolio, whatever you want. You can design it your own. But now done, first go to infinityfree.com or any free what do you call hosting provider, create an account and install a WordPress. See, control panel. Those who have account in GoDaddy, you can see cPanel option. Those who have account in Hostinger, these are the providers, domain and hosting providers globally. Okay, GoDaddy is like it's called cPanel. If you purchase GoDaddy hosting, you can go to cPanel. But if you purchase Hostinger, which is small and cheap medium type thing, like they are providing huge system also, but mainly small business use the Hostinger. Okay, there you can access to H panel. Both are the same, just name different. That's it. Here, software installation. Are you note down the steps? Then note down it. Create an account. Go to C panel or control panel. Create an account in the infinityfree.com. Infinityfree.com. Free. Okay. Then go to C panel or control panel. C panel or control panel. Okay, there in the software session, click this app installer. Okay, then it will be in the middle. Then you'll come to this app installer. In the middle one here, middle one, just wrote down the middle one or the second one. Once you click it, you'll get into this setting. Sorry, install WordPress. Okay, you have to give your own details. It is important here because if you are creating your real commercial website, make sure that the password and what you call admin username are secured, because once they go out, your website completely gone. Okay, and using today's AI thing, the security issues we have more issues with the security. So be careful with your password and admin. Generally, let's take admin. For admin, we'll give admin. Okay. IS 2025. Install. The WordPress is getting installed. Okay. So here you have to understand, before we go to the in detail about the WordPress, let's talk about the domain as well as the hosting. I'll be talking in very simple terms to let it understand for everyone. See, if you take internet as a complete world, if you take internet as a complete world, the domain is like .com, .in, .co.in, or .shop. Okay, these are the what do you call extensions, domain extensions. Okay, and the domain is an address. Okay, let's take the whole internet as a world. In that, the domain is like a address. Okay, and your hosting is like a warehouse for that. For example, let's take this building. If you give address, let's take domain as an address and this building as a hosting. Means in this building you can have your files, everything. Reach this domain, the files will be available to the public. Okay, if you reach that particular address, you can meet your friend. Example, if you want to meet your friend, you have an address, you go to that address and you can meet your friend. The same way, if you use the domain, if you try to view that domain through address, you want to visit your website. Okay, so in that, say one more thing, domain hosting SSL for safety purpose. Okay, secure site license or like there are different type of SSLs. Don't get confused. For purpose of like e-commerce and all, you have to go for higher end SSLs because it will be costly, but those are more secure. For what do you call e-commerce and payment related websites, go with the high end SSL. Okay, it may be costly, but it's worth it. So let's get back to the what do you call website. So here, if you see the address slash WP admin means we are going to the WordPress dashboard. WordPress is a content management system or the software. Okay, so here you have to understand in the dashboard, try to remember a couple of important uh, concepts. One is plugin, one is plugin. Note down. What you're saying in my face? I told you to note down. In WordPress dashboard, important points like important tools or important functions. Plugins, plugins. Next, themes, themes. Okay, so let's go with the themes first. What are the themes? Themes is a design system which is already predetermined. Like some themes, they have their own function systems. Like if you go to Envato elements, there are premium themes. These are called premium themes. Like they have designed for particularly for commercial purposes. If you go to Envato elements, Envato elements, see, in web, let's take WordPress themes. Let's say we want to create a website for the purpose of agency, purely agency. Okay, select the theme. In WordPress, there are different types of builders, website builders or page builders. Note down. In WordPress, there are different types of page builders. Okay, like Elementor, blog page builder. Okay, there are number of things, but we are going to learn using Elementor. We are going using Elementor. So we'll click Elementor option so that we not get stuck up. Page builder, page builder. What are you doing? Not writing. So let's take. I like this particular uh, thing. Let's see preview. So if you say like I want my website to look exactly like this or similar functions, I can change this image or content, whatever it may be, but I want this theme ready. Okay, the effects or the look. I want this particular website, like I want to make my website look like this. Okay, so what I'll do, generally, those who have the access try to use it. Those who don't access, you need to go for the inverter elements. We'll use the free options. Okay. Those who want to really create your own websites, go to inverter elements. Take a subscription. It is like 2,000 or 3,000 will be there for 1 month. You can download number of themes for your practices. Okay. Now let's get back to themes. So let's use free available themes. For present, let's use free available themes. Understand one thing in WordPress dashboard, themes and plugins. In themes, if you want to go for the premium paid, go for the inverter elements. If you want to go for the free, go to themes. Here, add new theme. In that new theme, search Astra. This one we'll try to install this theme. It's a free theme. It's a completely free theme. Okay. Okay. Next, in the plugin session, we have already activated, installed, and activated the theme. Okay. So in the plugin session, mm, okay, in the plugin session, note down a couple of plugins that will be very useful for you in building. Elementor, Elementor, Contact Form 7. Come on, note down. Elementor, Contact Form 7, Yoast SEO, Yoast, Y-O-S-T, Yoast SEO, okay. Elementor, Form 7, Yoast SEO, Yoast, Y-O-S-T, Yoast SEO, okay. Something Y-O-A-S-T or Y-O-S-T will come. Just search it, you'll get it. Okay, it's a SEO plugin, okay. Apart from this, if you want to create like a website, like some special effects or extra additional what do you call it, elements, go with the Elementors add-on. Elementors add-on. Elementor add-on. Next one is header footer. Header and footer. The plugin name itself, header and footer. Okay. So and this one, starter templates as well. For free templates, go for the starter templates. Starter templates, the plugin name. If you want to talk, please sit in the back bench and talk. Okay. Because as I told you already, it's a very important, and I don't have much time to spend with you for 3 or 4 o'clock. Okay. And you have a class as well, like I think for drama or something. So be fast. Okay. So let's go to the plugins. We'll add one by one. Okay. Elementor. See, Elementor website builder. Okay. Are you seeing? I told you to write down and concentrate on the class. Please, yaar. I, don't make me like what do you call? Haddak. Okay. Apart from Elementor, we're gonna go for contact form 7. Contact form 7. Okay. Later, Yoast SEO. No, small correction, YOAST. It's not YOST. Okay. This one also install. This is for so make sure all the plugins are active. Whatever the plugins you are installed, make sure those are active. Because sometimes we install it but forgot to activate. That will be a problem. You go see. It's an hidden activation. Oh, come on. Okay, let it be. I'll generally go for an what you call theory, then we'll go for the practicals later. Okay, what happens? Okay, So in WordPress, it's like a content management system. Okay, so what happens here, you don't need to have a coding skills. Man, remove the good, thank goodness, thank you, man. So see, in WordPress, you don't need a coding. Come on, in WordPress, you don't need coding. Just like you use your Canva, the drag and drops, right? Here you're going to use the same drag and drop system and create your website. Okay. And like some people say, like, sir, we already know what the last person said, Wix or other builders. But the problem is they don't have the versatility that we have in the WordPress. Okay, because if you go to Wix, you have to do the custom thing in the sense like you have to design your own output and everything. Here we have templates available, and there are the templates are there, but here we have a lot more. You can get bundle of them, search it, go with what you call your criteria, business style, colors. Based on that, you can take a best template out of it, install the template. Okay, change the content with your like Elementor. It's a best page builder. The only one downside is it makes the website bit heavy. For loading purpose, it will be a bit problematic, but no problem. We'll talk about the plugins that will make it make the website lighter. Okay. Any doubts so far? First, those who want to practice, go with the infinityfree.com. Verify it. What I said. If anything is missing. Okay. Create an account. From that account, go to cPanel or control panel. There, in the software session, the second one, app installer. Click it and install WordPress. Install WordPress. When you're installing WordPress, make sure you note down your admin name and your user password, as well as make sure the email is correct, because later if you forgot your password, you need that particular email for verification purposes. Okay, the email which you're going to use. Sometimes what happens in a commercial what do you call builders or called commercial hostings, it will automatically take what do you call backend email for it like assigning. Okay, so if you forgot in a hurry, if you click install, later it will be issues again. It's a small one, but it's a nuisance again. So try to make sure you have your email correct and then install it. Okay, once you install, in the dashboard, make sure themes, plugins. In the themes, if you want to go for the paid one, go for the Envato elements. And if you say, sir, I'm much richer, sir, I do have a lot of money, go for Envato Market. It's a even premier themes. It's a bit costly, but those who have money, they can try. I don't have issue with that. Next, free themes. In WordPress itself, we have lots and lots of free themes available. Go with the best one, and Hello Elementor or Astra, which I have just shown you. You can type Astra, you'll get it. Or if you don't get it, just click on the, instead of search, go on the popular one. You'll get second or third row or first row itself. So suggestions will change, keep on changing. Okay, once you install theme and activate it, then go to plugins. In the plugins, I am here to discuss. Please discuss with me. Please. Okay, so in the plugins, go with the Elementor, Contact Form 7, Yoast SEO. Okay, and starter template as well for template purpose. And add-ons, Elementor add-ons, those who want to create like more things. And if you say, sir, where are we using AI in this? In Elementor, there is an inbuilt AI option where you can generate your own pages. You have to give the prompt. You have to mention what you needed. Okay. For this purpose, we can use again ChatGPT. For this purpose, we can use ChatGPT. Go to ChatGPT, type what are the complete requirement. See, I want to create cafe website. Okay, I want to create a cafe website, and the location, places, and what you want to add in the home page. Let's take hero session, like opening session, about us, our top coffees, customer reviews, and contact us. This is what you add. You have to mention in the chat GPT so that it will give a complete prompt. Copy that prompt, paste it in the Elementor AI session, click, and it will generate that. Once you get that page, you can customize it. You can say, sir, like I already generated the page. AI will only give you the outline or the predetermined, what you call, estimated template. You have to customize your own. Okay. So far, we have already in the past 5 classes we spoke about prompt engineering. So before we can start back to it. Let me ask you, how many types of prompt engineering are like prompting are there? What I taught you? How many types of taught you? Five. What are they? Chain prompting. So only he is in the class. Remaining all not in the class. Then what happened? When I asked you, not even mention the number of the prompts. Be attentive. Okay. So So once you install your WordPress, as I told you, and second option to build your website using AI. In the start and template option, you have two options. One is pre-installed templates. Second one is AI based templates. Okay. The problem is for AI, for starter template plugin, you have to pay the money. It's a premium one. Okay. It's not much costlier, but maximum like 1,000 to 2,000 rupees. It depends. Costly, yeah. For making one website, it costs you around like 5 to 10,000 for basic website. If you want to purely professional one, not those what you call chipri one, chapri. Yeah, what you are maybe. So let's get back to the. Come on, silence, please. Yeah, don't make me use my voice more because I have a meeting later. If my voice gets struck, it will be a problem. Please. Okay. So in the plugins, you have to activate Elementor. Okay. Okay, quiet. Okay. Let's get back to the theme session. Templates, appearance, starter template. See, in the appearance, if you're using starter template as your reference, in the appearance session, you can go for starter template. Click on the starter template. It will give you, we have in the starter template, we have free option as well as paid option. Why it is slow? Why, man? Why? Why? Okay, let me check your notes once. And for now, WordPress plugins, themes, different pages. Okay. Where is your page? Like book? Why? Why? Yours? I'll see. And like in tomorrow's class, you have to do for the lab. Then if you don't do it, then we'll talk. Last benchers. So you all people share the same document. Okay. And one more thing, uh, additionally, add pages, media, post. Note down the main points in WordPress dashboard: pages, media, and post. WordPress in the beginning were used for the blogging. In the WordPress, first in the beginning of the WordPress, it was used for blogging. Well, it was not that popular in the beginning, but it was mainly used for blogging. Later on, the website systems and everything got improved. Okay, so pages is mainly for your number of pages, like home page, about us, service. For each service, individual page, contact. Okay, if you go for pages, okay, media, media like videos, images, PDFs, all those can be stored in media. And post, posts are like the blog post. As I told you, right, the WordPress in the beginning were used for blogging, and in the present, the blogs, like we are using blogs for the SEO purpose. We are using blogs for the SEO purpose. So let's go for the appearances. Starter template. Come on here. Taking too much of time. Okay, come to pages. Because the starter template has some issues, it is a bit slow. Let's get back to the pages. Create add new page. Add new page. Mention it name. See, as it is free sessions, it will be slow. I have to adjust it, or you have to go forward with other options. Add page. Add page. In the pages, go for add page. Add a new page. In the add new page session, when you go, give your name, check slug. When you're writing in the edit session, edit page. Now, I'm not talking about the edit with Elementor page. You practically see it, but note down. In the edit page, check the slug, 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 for the website purpose. For slug will be useful on SEO. Why it is getting this? And today's main homework will be creating all your social media accounts, not personal accounts. If you want, you can create your company accounts. I don't have issues. But each and every one must have one Facebook page, one Instagram account, one YouTube channel. Are you listening? Why? Because it's for marketing, man. It's digital marketing. Instagram, Facebook are different. Instagram is Instagram and Facebook is Facebook. Man, morning you are having breakfast, afternoon you are having lunch. Both are the same food, right? Self. Leave one thing. No, right? The same thing. You have to use everyone, man. See, if you go for LinkedIn, it is also social media. Are we leaving social media? It is used for professional purpose, but it's a social media. The same thing. Some people are in Facebook, some people are in Instagram, some people are in both. The main problem is both comes under Meta. Both comes under the company name Meta, and they made that compulsory for if you go for the social media ads. It made it compulsory. You have both Instagram and Facebook ads. If you want to boost your Instagram account, you don't need Facebook account. But if you go professionally, in depth, you need Instagram and Facebook. Now get it? Yeah. Okay. Here, give a title, homepage, home. Okay. In the slug, same. Check it is a home. Okay. Here, now SEO concept. Now in comes the SEO. Okay. We have used Yoast SEO plugin, right? Yoast SEO. Now it's gonna help us in the SEO. First key phrase. Today, let's take. I am going to create a digital marketing agency's website. Okay, what would be the ideal keyword? You have to, like, for SEO, go for the keyword planner, Google keyword planner, do some research, or SEM rush, do some research. I can't go in depth because it will be too much. Okay, so use YouTube videos, learn that. Okay, do the basic keyword research and use the optimal keyword for the focus key phrase. For the focus key phrase, let's take best best digital agency in uh, okay. Now here, one thing in the desktop, I told you about meta title and meta description, right? In the last class, those who have attentive, you would have learned or like heard it about the SEO meta description and meta title. So those comes here. See, in desktop, if you go to Google, if you search something, if you go for a ranking, you'll get like this: the title and the meta description. In the Google, if you type it, you'll get the results, right? In the results, the title and the below that will be description. Title will be one line, description will be 2 to 3 lines, maximum 2 lines. Okay. So here, SEO title. What is the title you want to add? Okay. First, it will automatically generate something, but you can remove that. Try to add the key phrase in your title. Okay. And here they also using what you call AI for these purposes. If you want, you can use it, sir. I'm not sure of it. This what you call feasibility. So go use the what you call Chat GPT. Get those details. Put it here. Let's like title best digital mark marketing agency. If you observe here, you have a green bar. It is to show you that it is good or bad. It will how it will affect for your SEO. How does it will affect your page or website? If you see in the beginning, you got SEO on readability, right? SEO on readability, and the readability I said the score will go from 0 to 10. In between the what you call readability means it is should be easy to read, easy to understand. Okay, don't use the high-end vocabulary. Even fifth standard student should be able to understand your language. That is the ideal marking for your readability. Okay, readability we'll talk about in the page making. Let's come to the SEO. So if you see here, red and green faces are showing you angry face and green faces. So red in the sense it is in the negative. Orange means it's okay but need improvement. Green means good for your convenience. Okay. So let's get back to this. So if you see digital marketing best agency, the title has been changed. Okay. Now description generate. Okay, it's a premium, I think. This meta, this AI option is bit premium. So leave it as it. So here it is even analyzing your SEO mistakes. As we are getting a red face, you have to understand what are the mistakes you are making. It is showing you like the problem distribution because we didn't even start the page making. So the keywords issue will be there. Outbound links, images, internal links. These we'll see in the next lesson. So not like next session. Next, edit with WordPress. Sorry, edit with Elementor. Now here is the easiest part of the complete segment because just drag and drop. Everything can be in the process of drag and drop. Okay, let's take this is the home page, complete page. Now, sir, you say, sir, I don't have any idea how to start. Go to this, what do you call, starter template option available here in the WordPress as well. In the WordPress, in the opening page, this one. Can you see this S mark symbol? This is the starter templates cost symbol. Click on it and it will only appear if you install starter template plugin. Okay. So let's take free options. Click here and select free. In the free session, I want to go for digital marketing. Hmm. Learning a new language with the best. Good coffee breaker. Let's sing one thing and to graduate. Marketing. Store. Digital case store. Let's take this personal portfolio. I want to use this template. Okay. If I want to use this template, let's click select home page, import, install required plugins and import. Some themes have a specific requirement plugins. Means some like let's say there are different type of companies in WordPress, like theme, those who build themes, those who create some create extremely only for plugin purposes. Okay, so these themes come with a specific set of plugins because to make their website much more easier to use, as well as to make their website commercialized. Because if they don't give a specific what do you call plugins restrictions, what happens, everyone can use freely. You can download a plugin theme, I can share with your friends, right? So the particular set of plugins are being restricted or like specifically needed for this purpose. Okay. Okay. Sure. In WordPress, you have row and column sessions. Okay. In a particular row, you have different number of columns. In the drag and drop system, it will be easy to understand for you. So let's take, I'm not sure, it's taking a bit time. Please wait. So before it get installed, let me ask you one more important question. How many of you are really interested in this AI and digital marketing? Still, AI and digital marketing. Okay, good. Because see, after this complete workshop, we'll provide you a website or a channel where you can getting the new videos, new course materials. Okay, it's just extra. That's it. It's not included in the workshop. It's just an extra out of the workshop. Okay. So those who are interested, stay till the end and add to that particular group or particular system. Okay. Because in that thing, we are going to release new tools. What are the new tools available for you to AI? For AI, there are every day they are coming a new tool. Okay. If you see, how many of you are using 11 labs? One person, but it is very popular today. Okay, it's a premium one, but in the future it becomes a must. It becomes a must. Now it is a additional article thing, but in the future it becomes a necessity. Okay, 11 labs have a future of cloning, voice cloning. If you have anyone have an issue with speaking in front of video or audios, like videos or in the YouTube thing, you can use the cloning option to create your own voice. Or the second thing is, sir, you can say, sir, if I give a complete content to the AI, it becomes like complete voice, like a complete article reading. No, you can install like in between sessions, like whispering or high pitch soundings. Like your voice will automatically rise the sound in between the sessions where you need it. So these are very important things for your future. I think he can understand how easy it is to use the 11 labs, right? Cloning, I'm telling you, I'm not talking about the, what you call other things. Just your own voice can be cloned with just 6 seconds of your audio clip. You say, hi, hello, how are you? That 6 seconds of clip will be enough to clone exact your voice. Okay, some of you may have idea about YouTube channels. Sir, I want to start a YouTube channel, but I don't know how to do it. Use the 11 Labs for voice, what do you call Cynthia for videos. Okay, combine them both, publish it. Okay, so it is still importing. Come on, man. Okay, leave it. As I told you, go for the starter template. Click on the free option. Search for whatever the needed, like agency, shops, whatever you needed. Use that. And for your convenience, I'm using the regular custom designing. If you click the plus button, okay. See, if you this, okay, if you see here, we are designing a layout. We are designing a layout. So click on the flex box. This one. Okay. Here you have different items. One is row with a down arrow system, row with a vertical arrow system, like horizontal. See, if you take this option, you can add, drag and drop the image here. Okay. Then you can select images. This will be available, right? Download. Let's take this image. I want to add an image in the opening session or hero session. Okay. Drag and drop the complete hero session. Okay. Here I told you before two things. One is systems will be bit different, but don't get confused. When you click the row button with the down arrows thing, whatever you add, it will go down like this. Means like first image, then you want to add a heading. Okay. Here you want to add a heading. You can use the heading. See, as I told you, H1, H2, H3, right? You can use here this one because it's the first heading. Go with the H1. Okay. When you're going in the content, going down according to your content system, use H1, H2. Like only in one page there should be only one H1. H2 and H3 you can use multiple. Okay. For your designing purpose, don't break the loop. For your designing purpose, don't break the heading system loop. Okay. In this system, in this session, image or content, we have three sessions: content, style, and advanced. Content, style, and advanced. For example, let's take this heading. I want to change the color. I want to add it bit red color. So what I do? I go to style. Here, text color. Click the color, red one. Okay. Or one more thing, you can save this color as well for your future purpose. Later, if you need for any other heading, don't need to go inside. Click on this particular thing, scroll down, you get your color. Okay. This is color session and alignment as well. You want it in the middle. Go for the middle alignment. These things you can go in depth in the YouTube. It will be easy to learn. Maximum it will take 3 to 4 days to completely master this particular WordPress system or setting editing using Elementor. Okay. Next, advanced options. Let's take, I want the gap to be bit bigger. So what I'll do, on the top, I add 50% extra margin. So what happens for this section and this section, we got a gap. So you have to understand these are the free systems like you can get in the YouTube. So I don't need to go in depth, but my today's what do you call homework or what do you call task is create your own social media accounts, dummy or your personal. I don't problem with that. Sir, I don't want to show my personal accounts outside. Then create your dummy accounts. Okay, you should using Canva make cover photo for your Facebook. Come on, note down, because if I don't check it, teachers will check it. If I don't see those things, I will not provide the certificate. I'm given definitely about it. Okay, create Facebook, Insta, YouTube. Create Facebook, Insta, YouTube. If you have even more time, sir, I'm really interested, create LinkedIn as well. Okay, in Facebook, if you also I don't want like I already have a Facebook account, means create a Facebook page. If you have already Facebook account, create a Facebook page. Okay, so, YouTube, YouTube, and LinkedIn is optional. Optional in the sense, if you are interested, you can do it. Not interested, you can not do it. Okay, for those who do it, it is helpful. Okay, second thing, watch YouTube about the what do you call WordPress in detail. I gave you the outline. Go for the in detail. Those who are interested, because WordPress is easy to make, easy to manage, but the only issue is it's small security issues that can be done with your other plugins. Okay, are you able to understand everything? So what did you learn today? So concept is simple. Tomorrow we are going for the lab. I'll be here by 1 o'clock tomorrow. 1 o'clock. Eat fast, get fast, because those who are fast they'll get the lab. Those who are not fast, I'm sorry. Okay. So eat faster. Be prepared. So by 1:15 or 1:20 we'll start the lab. Tomorrow you're going to create your websites. So if you already created your website in your home using this method, you can log in here. Okay, log in here and we'll continue the next process. Okay, we'll talk about SEO, and if you already prepared your social media accounts, we'll talk about your social media accounts, how to make your social media accounts popular or make your content streamlined. Okay, we'll talk about the tricks and how to use AI in your social media. Okay, all those things will be done in tomorrow's lab session. So please don't miss and be more interactive. Okay, and if you have any issues, sir, are not understanding your flow, sir, are not catching up with your speech, okay, you can just let me know so that I can make amendments in the next sessions, right? Any issues? Come on, man, I'm not a Brahma to be all correct. I'll be make mistakes. Come on. No?